Hey guys, it's Rahim. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button because I talk about personal development, property investment and financial freedom. In today's video, I'm just gonna make a quick phone call here to speak to one of my investors who's about to buy a property, so we can talk about the figures and what do we need to look for in order to buy the property. Let's get to it. When we are buying the houses, right, we analyze them as if we're renting them. Right, it needs to work on that basis.
On a standard
correct.
Buy-to-let
yes,
basis.
Because we need to. Heads we win, tails we don't lose. Saying rento SA, family let is our fallback, right? So it needs to work on our fallback.
It's your second option, your final option. Yeah,
correct,
okay.
But it needs to work on our final option, not service recommendation. So the way you've analyzed it is not correct. I will try to analyze it on a normal way, on a BR, on the
problem
element.
I noticed on the calculation, was that the figures for the income was multiplied by 365, but when they were calculating the expenses, it was done in monthly. So it was
monthly times 12. It's monthly times 12, but you've taken that out. Right, when you're doing service recommendation.
Okay, maybe I took it out in error.
No, it's not an error. A service recommendation. Service accommodation is all analyzed in an annual basis because it fluctuates, isn't it?
Yeah, I get the point.
So that's the reason why we got 45% occupancy rate, 50% occupancy rate, and so on. Okay?
For the year, I get it. Yeah,
correct.
For the year, okay.
So when we're buying, then we always do the BRRR calculation. That's our bread and butter, because we make our offers on that basis. So I'll go back.
You still do the buy to service as well, but it needs to work for the BRRO. You need to do that, make sure that it works for that one.
Correct.
First.
That one, that one, when I'm buying, I don't even look at that. Right? Because I don't want to influence my decision. Make sense?
Oh, you mean you don't look at the buy to SA?
No. Because otherwise it will influence my decision.
Yes.
Because I'll be like, I'm making £10,000 there, so I can.
It doesn't happen.
Yeah, you understand what I mean? So I look at that. I look at the worst case scenario, and make my offers on that basis. Make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense.
So basically, that's how I would normally do it. But what I'm gonna do now, I will analyze it for you as under the NMLI sheet. Resend that to you. Right, and tell you what we reckon we could put an offer. If you want to catch up, then I'll give you a call also to catch up. Okay?
Okay. Yeah, we've got a meeting tomorrow anyway.
Oh, brilliant. Okay, we will catch up tomorrow.
Offer deals from the auction website. Yeah,
get lots of them because we need to buy properties next month, bro.
Yeah, I really want to. Yeah.
Okay. Let me have a look at this, and we'll catch up tomorrow then. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Cheers. Ta-da. Bye. And again, vital point here. If you are buying a property, even though you intend to use it as service accommodation, you want to analyze it as if you're renting it to a family. Here's the thing. The reason why you do that is because you want to make profit even at the worst case scenario. Right? Suppose you took it as a service accommodation and it did not work and you can't rent it out. You've bought it for a ridiculously high amount of money. It becomes a rope on your neck. And that's what causes nightmares and stress and all that sort of thing. I don't allow my investors to do that. I don't work with my investors that way. I tell them, listen, bro, we analyze on the worst case scenario. We go on that basis to buy the property. So once we've bought it, we renovate it, we decorate, and then we can chuck it as a service accommodation because we know then it is going to work on that basis anyways. So that's how you could go for the worst case scenario and ensure you buy the properties significantly below market value. I hope this video has been helpful. If this video has been helpful, smash the like button below. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos.